Oh, we in Manhattan with it today. 53 West 53rd. Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, smash that like, hit that subscribe, hit that subscribe, hit that subscribe. Let's talk about it. 53 West 53rd, new development community in New York, in Manhattan. Super fire. It's one of the premier development properties in New York, 53 West 53rd. Condo community, as we can see, 161 units, 81 stories. That is huge. 81 stories, 161 units. We have everything from a one bedroom, so no studios in this one. However, one bedrooms all the way up to 4.5 beds, right? 4.5 beds. That's huge. The price points go from $3,335 all the way up to $63,815,000. What? Oh God, that is crazy. 63, that's 64 million. The taxes on that, baby, crazy. Let's talk about square footage. So we're at 1,241 square feet on the small side, and on the larger side, 7,971 square feet. That is huge. Somebody's apartment is going to be bigger than somebody's house. That's insane. Somebody's apartment in this building is going to be bigger than somebody's house. Wow, right? It's going to bring it on average price per square foot, $2,993 per square foot. That's crazy. Let's talk about the amenities. Let's dive in. So we have private wine vaults. We have 24-hour porter service. We have a lounge. We have a living resident manager. Crazy, right? That's basically somebody on site that's living there. They're experiencing what you're experiencing. They're taking care of the amenities. That's your neighbor. That's one of your 160, well, that's 161 units. So that's one of your 160 neighbors. That's great. That means as soon as a problem happens, you'll be able to get to them quick, fast. We have a golf simulator, a sauna and steam room. We have a spa. We have a theater room, whirlpool, cold plunge, private dining room, a lap pool. And this is just like the tip of the iceberg. We have way more amenities than that in this building, way more amenities than that. And guess what? You're already in a city. So you do not need to go to the city because you're here already. Listen, if you wanted to get to Brooklyn, you definitely could. Transit is very close. We also have buses around. The restaurants are beautiful. You really don't need to go anywhere. However, if you did want to, you definitely can. Price points are very out there, right? Price points are very out there. However, based off the amenities, based off the size, based off the location, you definitely get to understand and get a full belief and understanding and appreciation for why the price points are what the price points are. You guys want to take a tour? If you guys want to just look around in that building, give me a call. Hopefully you are pre-approved or you got the funds to do something. We're not just looking around and look around and look around and look around. However, you guys want to buy into that building, you guys want to sell inside of that building and, move on to something maybe bigger and better in your eyes or smaller and better in your eyes, totally cool. Give me a call, hit me my DMs, hit me in the subscribe, email me, whichever is best for you is best for me. Let's get this thing sold. Let's get you into this building or let's get you out of the building. Whichever one works for you, works for me. Like, comment, subscribe. Chris Newton here. Later.